Thursday, May 23rd, pin release day.
Yeah, random trip. My mom and dad decided to take a cruise without us.
Yeah, they're getting off the boat Saturday and drive us home, so that's a win.
So we don't have to worry about how much stuff we buy.
Yeah. So we're on our way to Epcot now to go get these new pins.
Yeah, extra magic hours, and then we're gonna swing over to Hollywood Studios.
All right.
See you there.
Let's go.
Epcot. Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
All right.
Pin release Thursday. 10 minutes.
Ooh, that's chilly.
Is it, dare say, frozen?
We get to share this frozen fun. Me and exactly. When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun.
We already rode 2 rides, did some pin shopping, had breakfast at, what was the name of that place we went to? It's over in Norway. It was pretty good. It's pretty good. Pastries. Now Lauren's gonna open up her pin box she got, the up pin box.
So these just came out. They came out at pin trading night last week, and this is the first time they've been in the parks, as far as we know. So there's 8 puzzle pins, and then there's 2 chasers. So yeah, so I don't want to jinx it, so we'll see what I get. Only 1 pin per box.
Does it feel like a puzzle?
It does feel like a puzzle piece. All right.
Okay, here we go.
Right off the rip.
Yeah,
Our first mystery pin of the trip. Okay.
Hopefully they'll last.
All right, it's just a limited edition.
All right.
And it is
Hey.
Doug.
All right, that's not bad.
That's a fun one.
Yeah.
1100.
Okay. Nice.
All right.
All right, so we decided to do all the Instagram walls while we're here. First stop, Spaceship Earth, Bubblegum Wall.
Woohoo!
Hey, all right, 1 down. Here's the new Disney Skyliner. They just put up the sign, codename Italian Job. All right, made it to Hollywood Studios.
Second park of the day. We don't really need any of the pins here anymore. Mom and Dad picked them up.
We're gonna try anyway, see what they have.
And we're going over to our pass holder entrance.
Hi there. Dark room pin store. All right, we went to Gertie's. This is for you, Mom and Dad, on the cruise. We got our own.
Yeah!
Please return your lightsabers and roll 2 dice in Elmont. And proudly, and may the Force be with you.
So happy to get through vigilance. Stop the pattern of this castle. Do you mean you have been more aware? You are grateful to fix. I just about had enough of you.
Your attention, please. Galactic regulations state that all interplanetary travelers present a current passport and the necessary visas prior to...
All right, so we're in Pizza Planet. I'm not calling it Pizza Rizzo, but look what we got. Yeah.
Anyway, so these new buttons came out earlier this year. Actually, like this month.
Last month, I think.
Yeah, I think it was like this month these buttons came out. Like, then there's a pair of buttons and they're usually related. There's one that said like meet me at the People Mover, meet me at the Purple Wall. There was other ones that were related to ears and churros, but we went with the ones about snacks. So we'll put these on our book bags as we walk around. We don't know who's gonna have this one. I think Mike should have this one because there's the pretzel on it. But I do love popcorn. Yeah. Which we haven't gotten yet this trip. That'll have to be our salty snacks, because...
Or a Mickey bar. We haven't got a Mickey bar yet either.
I know. How long have we been here?
Just finished eating. Now it's mystery pin time. You're out of the frame.
That's okay.
Alright, who
What are you
wants to go
starting
first?
with?
I want to start with the balloon.
Okay.
Alright.
What does it look like?
4 of 6. Could maybe one of the genie ones?
I don't know.
I don't have that one.
Oh, that's fun.
I might have just completed the set.
Why do you now have 5?
I think so.
Oh, we're doing that thing. Oh, fun. That actually works.
Oh,
cool.
nice.
That was a good set.
Oh, I'll take that.
Yeah.
I really think I've completed those now.
That's
yeah.
cool.
I'll look that up. All right. You want to go? Which one do you
Oh,
want?
gosh.
Maybe go with the box.
I guess so. Okay, here's hoping.
Positive.
Second box.
Yeah. First one was good.
Yeah. First time I got Doug, so
Come on.
not a double.
No. Yeah, no dupes.
Yeah.
No dupes.
Okay, I'll take it out upside down. It is limited edition.
Okay.
And we got Carl.
Carl.
And he connects to Doug, so that works.
No way.
Yeah.
Hey. Are you gonna do it?
Oh, I'm too far away.
No.
Do I have to do this? I have to be like, oh yeah, that works. Wow. YouTube. Cool.
Ah, this is nice. Yeah, nice.
It's so nice outside.
Yeah, it's warm.
It's warm.
It's
but,
88 degrees. What's your perfect temperature?
82.
82. It's a little warm. Yeah. All right, so we're off to Frozen.
Yeah, pizza was good. Pizza Rizzo.
Yeah.
It was Pizza Planet.
We padded the app and we got an earlier fast pass to Frozen and an earlier one for which one are we doing? Toy Story Mania.
Yeah. So on our way to our Frozen fast pass, we decided to try to find an Instagram wall that's not Toy Story, because we'll get to that one later. But I think this is the closest one we're gonna find. It's this one, which I guess they got lucky that they didn't put a year on this. It is now opening in 2020.
It's our turn.
Yeah.
Frozen was fun.
It was fun. They were good.
And we're gonna go hit up our next Instagram wall. It's over by the restrooms in Toy Story Land. It's colored blocks. So we're gonna head over there right now.
Here we go.
Yeah, we made it. All right, so Instagram wall number 2 in Toy Story Land is the what's it, popsicle stick?
Yeah, the popsicle stick wall.
Yeah. There we go. All right, Lauren and I are leaving Wilderness Lodge. We came, we saw, we got to the pin. The 25th, right? 25th anniversary pin. It's cool, it spins. Looks just like the tiles in the shower here. Yeah, it's nice. And we're just leaving. There's the pool behind us. We're gonna take the boat over. We started to go on the bus, but said nope. I'm gonna take the boat.
Yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be different. We haven't done that in a long time.
It'll be fun. And then
yeah, heading to Magic Kingdom, trying to figure out what we're gonna get for dinner, and we booked a fast pass for Buzz Lightyear, and it's 6 o'clock, so.
And then we're just gonna go from there, just hang out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a good day.
Eat desserts and snacks the whole time. So should be
go
fun.
for some mac and cheese. So maybe that's next.
Alright, we made it to Magic Kingdom. We picked up new pass holder bands. Lauren got hers.
Oh yeah, I have mine too.
No, that's you. Now we're gonna go down Main Street, USA. Sorry. Found another Instagram wall, the most famous Instagram wall. The purple wall. Where'd you go?
I don't know.
There you are, there you are. Nice, so we're taking a picture here.
I don't know what number this is. This has gotta be Instagram wall number like 4?
I think 4, right? We've done, yeah, 4, yeah.
4.
Nice.
Here we go.
The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So
I like the People Mover as a kid, but as I get older, it gets even better. Back at the pin store. Got it, got it. Alright, we just got off of Pirates. I got soaked.
Yeah, we had one rogue.
One rogue cannonball right in my lap.
Yeah,
oh boy.
that didn't go right.
It was fun though. It seemed brighter and it seemed louder.
It was quick.
Good. Yeah.
Felt nice.
But I'm soaked.
Yeah, it felt nice.
Yeah, I need a pretzel. Hey, we're on the grass.
Yeah, waiting for Happily Ever After. We got like 40 minutes. So
It's not bad.
so we got some snacks. Mike already ate his pretzel. Or you're almost done with it.
Yeah.
And I was just putting on my new phone case. Ooh. Yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah, actually it looks pretty good on the screen here.
Yeah. I was just ready for a new one. And then I did pick up a tiny pack to open just for fun.
Yeah, we might have a problem.
One of the ears, like the character ears. Oh, Chip and Dale. I don't have this one. I have Sebastian. So
I think
that's exciting.
I got that one.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a good one.
This one at least is another. Oh, I just opened it up. It's the yellow macaron. Macaroon. So that's fun. I have the pink one at home that I think I took from you. So that at least is adds to the collection. I'll take it.
Not bad.
Yeah.
All right, next up, fireworks.
The battles, the story, the losses and all the glory were changed by the way we live.
All right, we saw the fireworks, the final show at Magic Kingdom, and now we're back at French Quarter, Port Orleans French Quarter, and we came across a cool new cupcake we hadn't seen before, so we thought we'd try it out. The new Aladdin movie that just came out. All right, cupcake review. It was good. It was good. There was peanut butter on the inside, and I don't know. I liked it. What'd you think?
Oh, great. I have like blue.
All over it. All right, so we're gonna end here today. Tomorrow we're gonna do it all over again. So we're getting up early, going to Animal Kingdom.